welcome back to another episode. Today, day 17. Today's vlog, we are gonna install the rock lights on the truck. So there's gonna be lights underneath, just so when we go camping, we can see what's underneath. Oh, I'm catching my breath right now. I've been sober for 23 days. No cigarettes, no alcohol. All right, let's get to it. You see that? I tested the hole yesterday. I put another one here and then all four. So the question is, how is this gonna work? I'll show you. Most people don't do it the way I am gonna do it. This will go on the other side to hold it like this. So basically that's how it's gonna look like. It's hard to film. I need both hands to be doing this. Ready? All right. But that's how it's gonna look. This one will hook here. This other side right here. Another one of these right here. Diba? And then now you have your rock lights hanging right there. That's how it's gonna look like. Dang, it looks easy, but it's harder than I thought. Cause I'm fat, I can't fit in. Like there's enough clearance underneath, but I'm still fat. All right, so I can't fit me and the phone together. So there's the first one, here's the second one. Don't tighten it up yet. Make sure you have room for it to shake around. And this one will go here. So put this one here. This is just my style of doing it, cause I'm trying to see what's underneath the car, but I don't want to see the shocks. So, because people put their rock lights in the wheel well. Oh, there you go. That's tight. Not tightened, but pretty close. See how it looks like? Alright, so now this one goes in. You get the concept, right? Here's what it is. It's a measurement. You know what this measurement is? See those two holes? That's where the screw comes in. See that? That measurement actually puts the screw into the middle. So the holes are right there in the middle. Sorry. Then now go to the next one. It will be right here. Right here. Or right here. We're gonna go check the other side. So since it's in between that's where we're gonna put it on the other side. So right here, in between this, right here. So now you put it right there, and we drill the holes. You know where to drill the holes then, right? Marked it with the marker. So in between those two holes, in between those two. All right, and then we're gonna tighten it up later. All right, up next, we're gonna hook it up to the battery. So this one goes here, in here, right there. I'll show you. Positive. Always double check. Positive, red. That motherfucker goes in here. And then you lock it back. Boo boo, tight. Okay. Tight. Oh, sorry, tight. And then now we don't know where to put this yet because it's gonna. I'll find a place to like do it. You know, right here probably hide it where it won't swing. But now we're gonna connect all of them here and then go through any holes here. Figure it out. Okay, first thing you gotta do also is make sure that it is working. Flash. That's strobe. Flash. It's not working. Flash. Oh, it's flashing. Fade. What? Now we throw it down there, like in the really, I don't know, find a spot where you can drop it so it can go under. As see how they're dangling right there, gonna come out. Make sure you avoid all those moving stuff. All right, this is how it's supposed to look like. This is for me, my own opinion, and how I like my shit to be hooked up. So that's gonna beam down to the ground. On the side is how it's look like. It's how it looks like right here on this side right here. So it's hooked up right there. And yeah, I think that's a better view right there. See, I'm gonna go ahead and tighten things up right now. But yeah, because you're supposed to be beaming onto the ground. The reason why I had that here is because it covers the whole thing right here. So now you can see if there's snakes, skunks, or anything else, raccoons, where we go, there's a lot of them. So now you can actually light up the bottom part. All right, there you go. So if you can see, those wires are hanging. We just came out for a minute to grab some zip ties because we ran out of zip ties. Always good for camping. All right, so now we start from here. This one's ready to go. This is the Bluetooth right here. Zip tie it. So what we're gonna do, clean it up. Cut. See how that is hooked up right here? And I put them all together to make sure like it's clean, easy to take out, easy to replace. So I just shove it in there because there's enough room for it to just sit there, and it won't be like flying around when you're driving. So on the other side, see those two? Those are the two lines that go in here, go down there. See how clear that is? And then I gotta cut this and cut this one so it's tied up with the that's been there, so it's safe to zip tie it against it. And it goes in here, coming out from here all the way. This one's hooked right there, and then that's a clear all the way down there line. There you go. Right? And then you just gotta take those extra zip ties out.
If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive. You didn't know me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. About your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. But who didn't win this? It's a part of the game. Yeah, I beat you at your game, and if you were me, you would do the same. Man, I really love to play, and now that I won, then it's safe to say you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle